Oh, okay. This is our solar system. And this is the Earth. It is home to everyone you know. Let's launch Cirrus, the largest object in the asteroid belt, at Earth. Goodbye, everybody. Hope you had a good time being alive. Bye, Cirrus. Oh, Cirrus? No. Bye, Earth. Oh. Oh my god. But there are other ways we can destroy the Earth too. Oh, yes. Let's keep destroying the Earth. Let's give the Earth a few moons. Whoa. The moon is already selected, so let's give Earth some moons. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've already given Earth some moons, so let's choose a different object to add. Select Titan, a moon that normally orbits Saturn. Now give Earth 5 Titans. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh wow. They're all crashing into one another. These are just two of the ways we can wreak celestial havoc. Oh my god, what is happening on the universe? Oh my god. I think it hit him a couple times. Hold on, I need to figure out. Oh my. What? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. We can also watch different scenarios play out, like 100 moons colliding with the Earth and each other. That's crazy looking. Look at all the particles getting flung around. Oh my god. Look at that! The way it's like sucking it all up. Holy shit. To rotate the view, click and drag. To zoom in and out, use the mouse. Holy fuck, look at that. Oh my god. That's so pretty. Dude, look, it's like a white sphere now. It's so hot. No doubt. Oh, look at all this hot matter. Oh. Oh, hi. Hello. Hello. How much closer can I get? We can also try to make things even more chaotic. Let's make the Earth bigger by adjusting its properties. Here's a full list of Earth's editable properties. Holy! You can make it aged up? Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's gonna turn into a star soon if I have... Oh my gosh. Look at all the molten hot lava moons. Oh my gosh, dude. By making the Earth larger, we also increase its mass. Now instead of orbiting the Earth, all the moons are getting pulled into it. I see that one. I see that one. Oh, there it goes. This is just the beginning of what the... Oh, look at all this. It's spewing so much hot gas and matter. This is just the beginning of what the Universe Sandbox can do. It can also teach us about Earth's climate and the importance of our sun and lasers. Okay. The sun is the most important source of fuel for life on Earth. What if we got rid of it? everything would die immediately. To remove an object from the simulation, use the delete tool. See, okay, light travel... Oh, okay, if I remember correctly, it takes 8 minutes for the sun's light to reach Earth, so technically we would have 8 minutes of sunlight still, even when the sun is gone. Bye-bye. Boink. Oh. Oh. Without the sun, our entire solar system falls apart. Yeah. There we go. Oh my god, we are a frozen ball. And Earth starts to get cold. Oh. Oh my god, negative 21 degrees Celsius is fucking crazy cold. What the hell? And it's all ice except for some oceans for some reason. Why is that? Maybe we can warm the Earth back up with a friendly laser blast. Shoot a laser with a set power and wavelength. Aim and click the laser. Oh. Oh, you can see that in the top. In the. Oh. Oh. Oh, I fucking. That's just a hole. Sorry, guys. I just burnt a hole. I think I completely fucked wherever this is. Where is this? I burned up the oceans are melting. Or not melting. The oceans are disappearing. I don't even know where this was. Oh. Hey, I'm gonna draw a smiley face, actually. Meow. Oh my gosh, what? I'm upside down. Oh yeah, the oceans are definitely melting. Big smiley face. Oh, there goes that one. Wherever that was. It's like my ice cream. Ice cream. The Earth is still cooling rapidly. Yeah, probably, if I had to guess. Maybe we can fix this by adding another source of gravity and heat. Yeah, you think so? Also, fucking North Pole's on fire, probably. Add a new star. Okay. Rigel. Star. Blue, white, luminous supergiant. If it's bigger than the sun, isn't it just gonna pull everything towards it? Well. Rigel is a very large star. It's 23 times more massive than our sun. Oh, it's moving a little. Yeah, I think that might be an issue. Its gravitational force should be enough to bring back and heat up the planets and Earth. Yeah, about that. I think it's going to actually just go straight into Rigel here. That doesn't look right. All the planets are being sucked in. Yeah, oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, no way. Okay, I think we definitely fucked everyone. Jupiter, no. Oh, Jupiter got fucked. Yeah, it's cause it's too big. I was just about to say this too. I'm pretty sure I did mention, if it was bigger, there it goes. If it was bigger than the sun that we had originally, everything is just going to get sucked straight in. There will be no delicate balance of gravitational force. Holy. Hi, Earth. And the Earth is now much too hot. Oh, yeah, you are burning up a little bit. You have become a perfect sphere, aside from this one spot. That was probably the spot that I lasered. So maybe we made some mistakes and ruined our solar system. That's okay. There's always something to learn about and experiment, even one that ends in disaster. And we can always try to create life-sustaining worlds from scratch. Oh, that's so cool. Let's try transforming Mars. Oh shit, hi. You're looking beautiful. Just add some water. Isn't it gonna evaporate almost immediately? Yeah, it seems to be doing that. Ooh, look at all that water that's dehydrating. Or evaporating, sorry. I want this one to get covered up. I want this hole to get covered up. Thank you. Now that Mars has seen some water, let's wait a few years and see what happens. Yeah, just casual. Let's wait a few years. Is it just me or is it freezing? The water that we added started to freeze because Mars is too cold. We can try to give Mars shorter days so one side of it doesn't get too hot or cold by making it spin faster. Yeah, how long does it take? Is that good? Oh, it's gotten a bit of an oblong shape. Oh, it's definitely a bit oblong. Oh, it's getting pulled. Oh no, uh-oh. We made Mars spin so fast that its center bulged out and the gravity couldn't hold it together anymore. Turns out it can be hard to make a planet habitable. Yeah, I was just about to say, this looks like a hamburger. This bitch got a hamburger shape. Now it looks like a cookie. We've observed 5 planets that are similar in size to Earth. But even systems with this many potential habitable planets shown by the green region of the habitable zone are fragile. Try doubling the mass of the host star. Womp. With just this small change, we disrupt this perfectly nice planetary system. Holy shit, oh my god, it's a blender. Oh my goodness, bro. Everything's getting fucked. We can even fly out beyond the edge of the Milky Way and watch what will happen when our galaxies collide with the Andromeda. I heard about this. This is super sick. Look at that. 1,000,000 years per second. What would happen if we put Neptune in orbit around Saturn? Not good things. I could probably tell you that already. Now place Neptune in close orbit around Saturn. Watch it rip apart the rings. Okay. Whoa. It's wobbling a little. I see Saturn's is getting a bit wonky. See that? It's like an eyeball. It is an eyeball. Look at that's an eyeball! That's straight up an eyeball, bro. Whoa. Are the moons gonna hit Saturn? Yo, could you move a little closer? Por favor. You know what? Let's make we could like make the temperature crazy. I wonder if we could like change its color. Can we change the color? I'm sure it'll change if we add enough heat to it. Not negative, but positive. Oh! Hey, it's on fire! That is sick. Wait. That is like a full-on eyeball. And it's just these rings, too. Like, the temperature right now is 183. Oh, it's swiftly cooling down. Oh, that's fucking sick. Hi! That is crazy. Yeah, it's cooling down rapidly. Also, what is happening? Oh god, Saturn. Saturn, what's happening, bud? You're getting hit with your moons. Or are they colliding with one another? Oh, I see it. Just a little. Oh, look at that. It's definitely pulling. It's got a weird shape now. It's like a fishtail. Also, is this... That's so pretty. That's so fucking pretty, bro. Look at this shit. Ugh! We're like in the midst of it. That's so sick. Oh wait, it's actually getting hotter. I think. I think it's like heating. No, I think it keeps oscillating. Hold on. Let's make this like... Let's make this 3... Oh, wait. I don't need to do that. Did I do it anyway? Okay, now it's 300 degrees. Look, I think they're getting ripped into it. Well, maybe we could make Saturn more dense. No reason. Just make it a little bigger. And now it's gonna suck up all its moons. And it's a little wider. It's just a little oblong. Okay, let's make her a little bigger. Just a little. Not too much. Not too much. She's getting more wide. She's an egg. She looks like an egg at the mo. All of the moons are now colliding. That is so... She looks like a bean bun almost. I just want them to collide, honestly. Look at that egg. It's just a fucking egg shape. Come on. Come on, Neptune. You know. You nipple. Come on. You know you want to get in there. Oh. 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 What's happening? What is happening? What is all this? Fragment? What's a fragment? What's the fragment for? Density. Oh, I should make the mass bigger. If I wanted to change orbit, I'm supposed to change mass, silly goose. It just gets smaller. All right. This is an actual... What the hell? Okay. Actual course. Intersection. We have done it. If I wanted to make it, Oh, yep, she's sucking it all up. If I wanted to make something get sucked into the gravity of something, you gotta change the mass, not the density. The density does not fucking matter. Oh my god, it's turned into a... That's a sun. Yep, that's a sun. Or, that is a... Look at all these fragments. That... Whew! Hey. Hey, man. Relax. Hi! Oh my gosh. Big, beautiful baby girl. Oh, yeah, there's a collision. What I was expecting. Oh, oh no. Oh. Oh yeah, powder everywhere. Dude, look at Saturn right now. Oh my god, it's getting enormous. I don't remember it being that big. Or that red. Or orange, I should say. Average temp... Actually, the temperature's lessened quite a bit. It used to be like 1,000 something. Titan's going through it. Titan is definitely going through it. Oh my goodness. That is white hot. Holy. Wait. Surface? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's 400 something degrees. Whew. They're gonna collide again. Oh, 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 shit, no, 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 I missed it. Why is it why am I getting dragged away? I want to see it, no. I want to see it. Oh my goodness. We are in a giant fragment dust cloud, dude. Look at that! Oh, that's why I can't catch up. Wait, fly to. Oh my goodness. That's why I can't catch up. It's 'cause it's going so fast. It's zipping away. It got blast off, dude. Woo! Oh my gosh. She's just taking off chunks every time she makes a pass. Oh my. Surface? Oh yeah. That is 1,000, more than 1,000 degrees Celsius. Holy. That's a lot of hot gas. And we are on a... Whoa, what the hell is this course? Oh, I forgot I put that there. That thing is enormous. I thought it was a lot smaller than that. Also, the moons seem to be doing fine, despite Saturn's much... Oh, whoa. Bigger mass. Oh my god. Why? It's so oblong. The average temperature's of 1,300 degrees Celsius, and it just keeps spewing more hot rock. Dude, I don't even know where the other planet is. It keeps ripping through it, I think. Either that or... Man, it is... I think it combined. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna go on a ramble. Here we go. Holy. Alright. This shit's gonna explode. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's like a ring. That one got flung out there. I keep getting distracted. I mean to, like, talk about stuff, and then I just don't talk about the stuff I mean to talk about because I keep getting distracted by how pretty this is. And how nuts it looks. So, I have a dream that I recently decided to have. And I walked out of my car the other day to see and, like, look up at the night sky, right? And I was very sad to see only a few vague little speckles. And I recognized the fact that this... Hold on, let me look at it. This is visible above our heads at all times. Every single night. You can see this, but you can't, and that's because of the light pollution. And at some point in my life, I want to see the full, unbridled force, the giant arm that stretches through the sky. I want to see it fully and clearly. Not just the brightest stars, not just, you know, the things that are only visible with a shit ton of streetlights. I want to see this at some point in my life. If I can see this expanse with my own two eyes, I will die happy. You know, I will be able to die happy. That's my goal. I want so badly to see this. It is possible. It always has been. It's just finding the right place to see it is really hard because light is everywhere, and it's such a shame that some people in their lifetimes will never see this. They'll never see it. Because they'll live in a place that is polluted with light so intensely that they can't see the Milky Way. Like, I can only imagine how beautiful the night sky was when, like, cavemen wandered the earth. When it wasn't, like, a necessity, or not a necessity, but when they didn't have lights like this everywhere. Or not like this, but you get what I mean. They didn't have street lamps. They didn't have buildings always buzzing with electricity. They didn't have that kind of availability. And I guess it's both a blessing and a curse. I just want to see it. Just once. Just once. And I'll be happy. I'll die happy, knowing that I got to see this beautiful vastness that is above us every night. I want to have good eyes when I do it too, so I'd rather have it sooner rather than later. Yo, Earth, how are you doing? Oh my gosh. I also came to realize recently that I'm a nerd. Well, not recently, that's not recent at all, but like, I didn't realize how much I liked space until recently for some reason. Like, I didn't know it. I didn't know it like I do now. This isn't unusual to anyone who's been here for, whoa, hello? Anyone who's been here for a hot minute will know that I like space and I like aliens, but I didn't really fully comprehend it until fairly recently, just how much I think it's just so insanely interesting. It's so interesting. And just generally really, really cool, obviously. And I don't know, like, now I have a bunch of alien-themed... Well, I had a bunch of alien-themed stuff, but, like, it was only till recently that I was like, dang, I'm like in deep. Like, there's no way around this. And now I'm making an entire story based around alien planets and how, you know, other kind of crazy baloney. Lots of world building. Lots of experimenting, I guess. Love you, Andy Weir. Project Hail Mary made me kind of really realize it. The slight obsession I have with space. Like, I've already been, like, dabbling. That is crazy looking. But yeah, like, I just... I guess I can't really put it into words. It's hard to put into words. I don't understand how someone can, you know, walk around at night and not look up. Like, I do that even during the day, too. Like, I don't understand how people can just walk around living their lives without looking up all the time. Like, I do it so much, it's actually partly a little ridiculous, but I deeply, deeply, deeply appreciate the sky and the beauty that it brings. You see this stuff? All of that is stars that are bright enough and have been burning long enough to be able to be seen with your naked eye. That is so cool. That is so unbelievably cool. All of these are stars. It's the only reason they give off light, is they're all stars, and all of those stars probably have something or other orbiting them, or something or other, you know, feeding off of them, or whatever. And it's just so vast. It's just so vast. And this darkness in between the specks is even more vast and has somehow even more, I forget, I don't know if it's like density or whatever, but like it's so crazy. Space is so full of stuff, and yet, like, most of it, a majority of it, is like the darkness in between. Oh, that's really pretty. That is wild. A majority of the mass in the universe does not even belong to stars. Hello, moons. Hi. Holy, you're getting ripped away. Hold on, let me... Oh, wow, you are red. Whoa! And you're oblong, too. Yeah, I don't get it. It's the same thing with clouds. You know, the sky is such a beautiful giver of life. Same with the ocean, you know? The ocean is where it all starts. And I don't know how more people don't look at it and gawk and wonder. Like, so much of my phone storage is taken up by clouds and clouds alone. They're so beautiful. And I don't know how people can complain about it being a cloudy day. They're like, oh, it's dreadful weather. No, the fuck it's not. If you didn't have that dreadful weather, you wouldn't be here right now. If we didn't have clouds, nothing would exist at all. I guarantee it. Well, maybe some things would exist, but not us. Not our advanced human race. We wouldn't exist without clouds. Now I'm just rambling, but it's too majestic. I do have an alien planet I want to make. At the center of every galaxy is a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun. But despite their size, these monsters of the universe are very hard to observe because they do not emit any light. In fact, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, Sagittarius A, shown here, wasn't proven to exist until 1998. Whoa. One way is to look for pairs of supermassive black holes that form when two galaxies collide instead of looking for individual black holes in each galaxy. After the galaxies merge, their central supermassive black holes gravitate together to form a binary system that gets closer over millions of years. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my god. That's what they mean. They're in a dance with each other for millions of years. As the supermassive black holes orbit, they emit gravitational waves, ripples in space, presented by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Yes. Gotta love general relativity. Gotta love general relativity. These gravitational waves are easiest to look for when the supermassive black holes orbit once every few months or years, like those shown here. So supermassive black holes can be found by looking for these specific gravitational waves. Select black hole. Fly to Sagittarius A. Hello. What if we add another black hole? Also, time is super weird in space. Time relativity. Crazy stuff, by the way. I only learned about that recently. Random rock particle. Random asteroid. Oh, shit. It's, oh my gosh. Light. The way light just kind of, like, warps around the black hole. That's so crazy looking. Blank planet. Dude, this thing is enormous. I put Saturn in here and it looks like a fucking speck on my screen. That is so big. Kepler. Even this, I'm assuming this rather big sun is just fucking nothing. gosh. That's so crazy. And there's just these things. These anomalous things sitting in the universe. Gobbling up any and all light around it. And it does not care. It does not care. It'll just suck up everything. It'll warp light. It'll suck up light. It'll suck up... Look at that. That's super cool. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, shit's happening. Oh, they're getting spaghettified. Oh, you can see him getting spaghettified. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's crazy. Like, that's nuts. That just... Hey, man. This black hole is orchestrating everything. Oh, this'll make it instantly become a star. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Why does that... Hello, Iron Lung. Whoa! 142,000 Kelvin. Let's throw more suns at it. How about... Oh. Can we get a... Oh! Oh! Oh, shoot. Oh! Oh, I think we always supernovaed. Oh. You just start dicking around and you accidentally make a supernova. Holy fuck. That is wild. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Look how big this is. That is a giant cloud. Well, that's one way to make a supernova, is you just keep putting suns next to each other. Just keep putting suns next to each other. We have another supernova. Oh, oh my goodness. We have multiple on top of each other. Oh. It's glitching out. Look at that. It is so hot. It is literally blisteringly white. Oh, look at that. Whoa. That's so pretty. I think I made a few too many because it's glitching just a little bit. Oh, dude, look at the way it oscillates, bro. Dudes, this is sick. This is sick as fuck. Look at all of this hot, super hot, omega hot gas. Okay, star acquired. Now, I want, I think, a blank planet. I don't know how far away from the sun I should be. Maybe around here? Is it super hot? No, it's actually not too terrible. All things considered, I think that was a good placement for orbit. I double checked just to make sure. And this is like really good. This is like perfect temp. Because it's like 70 something, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're American like me, I know, unfortunate. I need a rotation. I think... I don't know how fast this is... Oh, I need a frame of reference, because this is just super blank. I want to add some liquid. So, I'm thinking water might be good. Oh my goodness. Why does it look like that? I think it's because there isn't any, like, Oh. Elevation, not elevation. It's kind of like painting. This is gonna be a big-ass lake, I'm thinking. Water. Okay, we have some water. It's pretty good. Cool. That is a... Okay. Planetary stuff. That thing is huge. This is the... Like, you're able to see this from the planet. Like, that is a crazy amount of... That is a crazy fucking lake. That lake is like a giant chunk of the planet's surface. Holy. Alright, okay. Just get some variation in here. Okay, that's looking somewhat more decent, I think. We got some random smooth mountains. Another random bullshit. Oh, I see what happened over here. Well, that's how you're supposed to do it. Doing it wrong the whole time. You're supposed to do smooth, long, smooth strokes, not just like random fucking... Gonna fill this up with water. Water! Look at all this water. Oh my goodness. Why does it look like that, bruh? Okay, now we need an atmosphere. No idea how to make one of those. Kind of fucking sucks, but it's besides the point, I guess. Oh, all of the waters. Okay, well, this did not work out. Add some oxygen. I have no idea if this is actually doing anything. Are those clouds? Or is that ice? I can't tell. It could be clouds. Carbon dioxide? Add some of that too, why not? I don't know if this is actually doing anything. It's just a strip. Probably because of the gravity. I think we're rotating too fast. I think that's what's happening, is we're rotating too quick. Yeah, we're definitely rotating too fast. Wait. Look at the water! Oh, the water's coming back. It was definitely rotating too quick, I think. Look! These are clouds! Oh my gosh! It's a miracle! We have clouds! Oh my gosh. It was definitely rotating way too fast. Holy. I think the water's slowly going to seep back outwards. I think that's what's happening. Got some pretty crazy looking continents. This one looks like a moon. And then this other one looks like just a big blob. Sick. It has clouds. It has cloud cover. These, I'm pretty sure, are peaks that are full of ice. I think that's what that is. Blank planet. We're gonna call this... This is the planet name that I decided for my little project. I think we need a moon. We want Okay, well, technically, Otaran has 2 moons. One of them is red. Relax, holy. Which is the bigger of the moons. So I'm just going to put this pretty far away. We got Titan, and then we got a smaller moon, kind of like on an inner ring interior here. And hopefully that works, and it doesn't just collide with each other. Did that work at all? I think it's just... I don't think it's circling... Oh god, it's not... Oh god, no, wait. It's just not circling... Okay. It's just not circling my planet at all. It's just... I don't want it to, like, crash. I'm gonna... Hold on. The Earth similarity is 93.9%. Life likelihood is only, like, 53.7. That sucks. I think I, like, turned down the speed. Oh, I don't think I should have done that. Oh, I didn't. I should not have done that. Oh, no. Oh, no. I should have not done that. Okay, now it's just out of orbit. Oh, God. Oh, God. Pull me back. Pull me back. No, I just slingshot it out of orbit. Fuck. No. Wait. Save. Well, shit. Come back here. Fly to it. There's a bunch of debris. What the hell happened? What is happening? What is... Oh my god, what the fuck is happening? Is it because of the fragments? Okay, okay. We were in a stable orbit and then I fucked it up because, apparently I had to fuck with the speed. Gravitational force. We have placed Earth in the center of this simulation. On either side of Earth, we have placed Pluto and a pumpkin. Both are 100,000 kilograms. Oh wait, not kilograms. Kilometers. Holy shit. I am American, can you tell? Away from America. Away from Earth. None of these objects are moving initially, but as soon as we unpause the simulation, Pluto and the pumpkin will start falling towards Earth due to gravity. Which object do you think will hit first, Pluto or the pumpkin? Unpause the simulation to find out. No doubt, if they are both the same... If they're both moving at the same speed, they're both going to... Actually, the thing with the greatest mass is going to get pulled in the fastest. That's my guess. So... if they're both the same mass, they should both come in at the exact same time. They hit roughly at the same time. Told you. An important characteristic of gravity is that an object's gravitational acceleration is not affected by its own mass. If you drop a marble and a bowling ball from the same height, they will hit the ground at the same time. That's what I was saying. If they're both moving at the exact same velocity, they're going to stay moving at the exact same velocity no matter what their mass is, basically. The only reason the pumpkin doesn't hit first is because it is just not as big of an object. Therefore, it does not have, like, that advantage. This demonstration with Earth and Pluto and a pumpkin is the exact same concept, just at a planetary scale. If you zoom in, you'll notice that Pluto hit just slightly before the pumpkin. More on this later. I know. Object's mass does not affect how fast it falls. It is worth considering the imperfections of our scenario. The pumpkin and the Pluto do not exactly hit at the exact same time for two main reasons. Technically, we applied the force of gravity on the center of mass of an object. So even though Pluto and the pumpkin fall at the same rate, Pluto will touch Earth first because it is because of its larger radius. As I said, that's not really fair. If it is both center at the very center of which they dropped it, their larger radius is going to win out. Earth isn't the only object exhibiting a gravitational force. All the objects in the simulation pull on each other. That's what I'm saying here too. I also said that is because gravitational force has a part to play in all of this. It is worth keeping in mind that the gravitational effects from Pluto and the pumpkin aren't zero, and the contribution is why they don't hit Earth at the exact same time. Yes. Whoa, what the heck is... what is this? Why is... What? What? What's happening? What is happening? What is oh god! Wait, is it pulling? Is it... oh my gosh, are they getting pulled into an orbit? What is happening to Earth? Earth, what has happened to you? Why are you on fire? Oh, it's because of Pluto. Oh, I immediately forgot about that. The Pluto, getting hit with Pluto and stuff. That makes sense. Well, anyway. Hey, I'm in the water, guys. I'm in the water. Oh boy, I think that might be a little too close. I hope it's not, but... oh, yeah, that's too close. Oh no! Oh no! Oh wait, oh, I can't... I gotta orient. Jesus Christ. Earth immediately got fucked. Oh my god, it broke off. My sweet Otoran. Oh god. Oh! Bye. Immediately sucked in. Alright. I think I'm getting pulled closer. I'm definitely getting pulled closer. Well, no, actually. Maybe not. Maybe I'm being paranoid. I don't know what all these I feel like I'm definitely getting closer because the average temperature's going up a lot. Babe, are you heating up too much? This planet looks so ugly. Sorry. That is a pool ball. Okay, we just have a pool ball now. Weird. Okay, that's a good orbit. This is a much better orbit. I don't know why we have the pool ball in here, but we have the pool ball in here. All right. Life likelihood is less than it was. It was like 50%. Now it's less. I have no idea if that helped. Likelihood is even less than it was before. No, just composition. No, it's even less. No. I keep fucking it up. Shit. Shit. Am I completely fucking this up right now? Probably. Likelihood? I think it just went down. Oh boy. Less atmosphere density, the better. 51? I think what was really fucking me up was both the surface density and also the speed of which. Ooh, 59. I think our surface pressure is just fucking way too high. 64. Nice. Okay, 67. Okay, so the sweet spot is somewhere around 80 something. Like 82? 71! Whoa! That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Somewhere around there. Save, replace. I'm gonna settle. I'm gonna settle for this. This is my little world. Otaran. It has pink sunsets and turquoise colored skies, and the atmosphere is thin enough that you can actually see the stars even during broad daylight. It has 2 moons, one named Lotan and the other named Shela. Shela is a big red moon, and Lotan is a tiny white moon, and they orbit kind of like across each other. Lotan moves much quicker than Shela, and depending on your culture, you can either follow one of the moons or both. The both one is complicated. And everyone is kind of aged differently depending on the calendar you use, which is kind of fucking nuts. And because there's 2 moons, and they rotate rather in conjunction with one another, half of the month, depending on how long your month is, half of your month is spent with the tide getting like higher and higher, because the moons kind of have like a similar schedule as like getting pulled towards the earth, or like actually I think it's kind of back to back, more like pulled towards the earth. It's otaran, you get it, but like they kind of like back to back have like get pulled just a little closer, and then they pull the water up with them. So there's like half the month, which is like crazy fish season. It's nutty water. Probably wouldn't recommend going fishing during that time of the month. But the other half of the month, where both of them are like, drifting back and are like giving people a break, is kind of traditionally where they will do most of the fishing for the month. So like you kind of have to pick and choose your battles, otherwise you're gonna get fucked. Because the tide gets pretty freaking high. It gets crazy. Like if you live on the shore, you know what it means, basically. But yeah, that's what this is. Or at least it's what it's supposed to be. I could try to give it a moon again, but I'm pretty sure it just won't fucking work. And I want a red moon to represent Shyla. I don't even know if this will work. It works perfectly. Sort of, not really. Oh my god, it's going to run into the planet. Oh, she clipped it a little. Okay, so big no on that one. Alright, might as well just go crazy with it. Here we go. Dance of the Titans. I wonder, can we do that? Is it going to work? I think it works. Oh, and fucking Titan just kicked him out of orbit. I stand corrected. It did not work. Although Titan is now in orbit, the other one just immediately got fucked. What if we did that? Is that too close? Wait, that might be perfect. Oh my gosh, I think I did it. That's what it's like to have 2 moons. That makes... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I think I did it. Triton is still wandering around. The pool ball, we have 2, 3, 4, 5 different ones. Oh no, oh no, oh no, what the heck is happening here? I think they accidentally hit each other. Wait, no, why would they? That doesn't make sense. No, because that doesn't make any sense. The orbitally speaking, they wouldn't have been able to do that. So I'm assuming we hit another planet. Either that or Otaran is ripping Triton apart right now. Is that what's happening? Is it just too close? I think it is too close. It's just a little too close. Fuck. If I had just made it a little further away. I think we're in a stable orbit for real. I think I was lying last time. I think Triton was just a little too close. That's what it would be like. That's how you simulate having 2 moons. So Triton clearly takes a lot longer to revolve all the way around Otaran. And not Triton, what? Titan. Titan takes a lot longer. Triton is a lot shorter of a span, but Triton is just about like the same like revolution as like the moon is to Earth. Titan is just a much bigger revolution. Titan's years in my so elegant research that I decided I needed to be super ultra specific about the time frame because I guess that's something I care about. Yes, I'm looking through my notebook right now. And like correlation with one another. This is a kind of general idea of what I had going on. I don't know if it would be at all accurate to the actual science and math behind having 2 moons, but I made it so Shayla, 42 days, 6 weeks in one Shayla month. And then in the Lotan month, which is the Triton here, is 28 days and 4 weeks. So it's like, it's pretty much normal moon stuff. Like the moon, the fucking Earth moon, you know, it's kind of the normal amount, except it doesn't vary because I don't feel like trying to plan varying months because that seems like a pain in the ass, so I'm not doing that. The joys of just doing whatever the fuck I want. And in the Lotan year, there is 308 days, and in the Shela year, it is 546 days. So you can, if you use a Shela counter, like calendar, you are like considerably older than people who use the Lotan calendar. So yeah, trying to figure out everyone's age in comparison to one another and also in comparison to Earth years as well is super weird. Just very, very odd. And it makes for some really, you know, awkward age gaps and stuff. But hey man, your culture's your culture. Whatever you follow is whatever you follow, you know. You can be seen as a baby or as a fucking old man or something by different cultures. But yeah, it's a bit weird. But that's like the general gist, the general idea of what I've got going on. And I think I have the orbit just right now. Like I think I have the orbit pretty okay. This is kind of what the orbit would look like. This would be sorry. Can't fucking see anything. Lotan. Okay, it's getting a little dodgy and it broke off a chunk. Okay. I think it's cuz Titan keeps pulling on it. Oh, it's breaking off. Oh, yep, there it is. In the world that I've concocted, that doesn't happen. Obviously. Move that way and get hello, hi there. You're very close. Get Triton and Titan out of here. That was me rambling about my shit. I'll be doing something with that project later. Make a little audiobook type thing for anybody who is interested, because I'm having a lot of fun working on it, and someone might as well know about it, so it might as well be you if you're watching. But anyway, I am going to put a black hole here now. Oh my god. Oh, what happened?